Hello, my name is Nitish Ibrahim and I'm here to explain the third exercise of database lab. And the topic is advanced SQL using aggregate and built-in functions group by and order by. So the first question is to display the number of customers. For that we have the command select count customer ID, which is the attribute from the table name, that is customer. The count displays the number of customers. We using the attribute customer ID, so we get the number of customers as 5. The second question is what is the maximum quantity that has been ordered. For that we have the command select max, which is the built-in function of ordered quantity as the attribute from the table name as order quantity. So we get the maximum quantity that has been ordered, that is 400. The third question is to display the minimum, maximum and average prices of the product. For that the command is select min, max and average, which is the built-in functions. We use price as the attribute from the table name, that is order quantity. So we get the minimum, maximum and average price of each product. The fourth question is display the average price of each product. For that the command is select product ID comma average, which is the built-in function of price, which is the attribute from table name order quantity, which is the table name, group by product ID. So here we use the group by clause of product ID, and we get the average of each product. The fifth question is to find the total quantity ordered for each product. For that we use the built-in function called sum. We use the command select product ID, which is the attribute sum, the built-in function of ordered quantity from the table name, that's ordered quantity, group by clause of product ID. So we get the total of quantity ordered for each product. The sixth question is to find out the number of orders placed on each date. For that we use the command select order date, which is the built-in function, and count of order ID from table name order 1, group by clause we use of order date. So it displays the number of orders that has been placed on each date. That's 4 orders have been placed on 1st October. Then the next question is to find out sort the order table based on the order date. So for that we use the command called select star from order 1, order by, order date and ascending. Select star from order, star means displays all the value from the table in order 1. We use order by to arrange or sort, and in ascending order we have sorted the order date. So we get the order table based on the order date. We get it in sorted in ascending. The next question is to find display the products and the quantity and sort the result among the sum of quantity ordered in descending order. So for that we use command select product ID comma ordered quantity comma sum of ordered quantity, which is the attribute, as sum, which we use as the alias name, from quantity ordered quantity, which is the table name, by product ID comma order quantity. We use the group by clause and we arrange it using order by sum of order quantity in descending order. So we use DESC. So this is the result which we get after that. So next question is to display the supplier details sorted by their ratings in descending order. So for that we use the command select star from supplier, which is the table name, use the order by, which is used to arranging the SID in descending order. So we use DESC and we get the required result. The next question is to display the names of all the customers in uppercase. So for that we use the upper, which is the inbuilt function. We use select upper of the customer name, which is the attribute from table name, this is customer. So we get the names of all the customers in uppercase. The next question is to find the number of months between order date of order ID is equal to 103 and current date. So for that the command is select months between, which is the inbuilt function, to date, which is another inbuilt function. We use the current date 28/8/2016 in date, month and year format, to date, which is 3/10/2014. As months we use as alias from order 1, which is the table name, where the order ID is equal to 103. So it will display all the number of months between the dates between the selected current and the previous date. So the next question is to prefix the postal code with two zeros. So for that we use the concatenation is needed. So for that the function is concat. So we give the command select concat 00. We use two zeros as the postal code, as postal code is the alias name from the customer table. So we get the required result. Next question is to display the substring Newman from Richard Newman. So for that we use the function substring. Select substring of customer name. This 9 is the starting index and 6 is the length of the substring. As name is the alias name from customer table, where the customer name is Newman, Richard Newman. So if we see Richard Newman, if we start from 1, 9 is here n, and 6 goes till Newman, so we get the result as Newman. The next question is to display the number of characters in the name of the customer which ends with E. So we use the length as a built-in function. Select length of customer name, which is the attribute from table, that's customer, where the customer name like %E, it means which ends with E. So we get the length of the customer which ends with E as 8. So that was the last question, and this is it. Thank you.